Children, I welcome you all in today's revision class where we are going to revise short question answers of A Gift of Chappals. So let's start with question number 1. And I am going to underline the value points. As dear children, it is not expected that you will cram all the question answers. So it's better to prepare the value points for the same, and accordingly you have to prepare the question answers by preparing the value points. So let's start it. Who visited Rukmani's place? Mradu is a young girl. Mradu went to Rukmani place along with her Tapi. So Mradu, Tapi. These two are the value points for this question's answer. What was value points meaning? The most essential thing. That is the actual answer. Question number 2. What was the surprise for Mradu? Ravi took Mradu to the backyard to show her the newly foundation and to show her kitten. Kitten. Kitten is the value point for this. He showed her the kitten. That is the value point for this. What was Kama famous for? Kama from Mahabharata used to give away everything. Karna, actually it should be Karna. Karna from Mahabharata used to give away everything he had, which even included his gold earrings. Question number 4. Why was beggar wait outside Ravi's garden? The beggar was leaning against the trunk of neem tree in Ravi's garden for alms from ladies of the house. So, alms. That is, he wanted something, some food, some money from the ladies of the house. Next question. What did Mradu see in front of Ravi's house? Mradu had seen a pair of chappals in front of Ravi's house belonged to the music teacher. So, pair of chappals. This is the value point for this question's answer. How did the music teacher react to the act of Ravi? The music teacher compared Ravi with the Lord Hanuman and called him a Hanuman incarnate. Question number 7. How was the name of the cat different? Ravi had named the kitten Mahendravarma Pallava Poni in short. They were calling him Mahendran. Mradu liked the name because it sounded real to her and was different from the usual cute names kept for cats in journal. So the value point for this question is Mahendra Poni, and in short Mahendran. And why she liked it? Because it was unusual. Next question. What was the source of information about legacy of cat? Ravi felt that his cat was a descendant of Rishi cat of Mahabalipuram. He claimed that during his class trip to Mahabalipuram, he had seen statue of a cat there, which he believed was an ancestor of his cat. He felt that the lion in the emblem of the Pallava king was a close relative of his cat. Though, dear children, it's a little long answer, but if you will prepare the value points, it will be easy for you to prepare this answer. So, the value point will be Rishi cat of Mahabalipuram, ancestors of his cat, emblem of these lines. Has Lali learned playing guitar? Lali kept on going off tracks. It was like her train getting derailed again and again while the teacher was running smoothly on the track. Going off track, teacher was playing it smoothly. Next question. What was the beggar's expectation from the ladies of the house? The beggar felt that the ladies of the house were very kind. They have enabled him survive for a week by giving him food to eat. He called them generous and found it hard to believe that they wanted to send him away. So they were very kind, survive for a week, they could not send him away. The last question for you today in today's class is, what was Ravi's argument for his charity of chappals to the beggar? Ravi was upset with the elders because he had always been told by them to be kind towards animals. But he had to hide milk for kitten. Rukumani had told about Karan, who would give away everything he had to help others. Ravi had tried to help the beggar by giving away the music teacher's chappals to him, but still Rukumani scolded him. So Ravi could not understand that why the elders were behaving in an odd way. They were saying something, but exactly they were behaving in different way. So dear children, I hope you will read the chapter first and then prepare these question answers. It will help you in your upcoming examination. Thank you, dear ones.